Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Just Mom Things. I hope you all are good at your places. So finally a video has come guys, which everyone is waiting for. So for long time, that which toys we have used to engage Nandika in 0 to 6 months. So here I am with all the toys of Nandika. So let's start today's video. First one is the cradle and swing. This is one of the most used swings by Nandika. We bought this when Nandika was of 1 month old, and we bought it from the Amazon. You guys also place order from the Amazon if you like it. And the main part is this is from the Fisher Price, which is one of the most trustable brand in toys, and it has dual motion baby swings. The purpose of this swing is obviously to be in the comfort zone of the baby, and second purpose of this swing is that it has soft toys overhead which engage baby visual skills and enhance the eye tracking skills of the baby. Second purpose of this swing is that it has 3 soothing sound tracks to enhance the hearing skills of your baby, and third point is it has mirror on the overhead so that baby is engaged in her looks, and sometimes baby sleeps while enjoying soothing music, movements of the toys, and motion of the swing, and all these kind of mirror toys, soothing sounds. Second toy which I have for Nandika is infant rocker. Frankly speaking guys, I do not put Nandika in this for so long time. I think not more than 30 minutes at one side, because I have read somewhere that it has rocking structure and it affects the backbone of the baby, but minimum time is 40 to 45 minutes is good. In a day, hardly 2 hours, it's more than sufficient. So this is again from the Fisher Price, which is one of the most trusted brands in the toys, and because it has a deep and cozy seat, baby feels so much comfort in it, and it has toys overhead, and the due to it has calming vibrations guys, which helps to soothe baby, and due to which toys are in the moments, and babies motor skills develops by this and enhanced to catch the toys. Due to vibration, sometimes baby falls asleep in this and having a sound sleep, so it's good. Ultimately it's a good toy. I recommend to all the parents to order it, but the minimum time period to put a baby in it, it's not more than 45 minutes. So rest everything is well with this toy. Third toys which we use for Nandika is the rattles. Again from the Fisher Price, I have 2 rattles for Nandika. First one is this and second one is this. So rattles always enhance motor skills, holding ability, and the rattles which I have used for Nandika having biting points to enhance the gum and ease pain when teething is starting and all. So it has biting points as well. It's easy for the gums to ease their pain and all. So one suggestions for all the new parents, choose that kind of rattles which are small in size, easy to grasp, and which has various grip points and ways to grasp to help babies to develop fine motor skills. Basically rattles are made for developing the motor skills, so choose those kind of rattles which have so many holding points, so many uh, corners, so many movements in that, so that baby can develop their motor skills, holding powers and all. The fourth toy which basically is the teether, and again it is from the Fisher Price, that is the carrot teether. I don't know where it is right now. I searched it but I can't find it right now. I can share the picture of that. So basically 2 teethers are very famous all around the world. First one is the Sophie the giraffe, and second one is the carrot teether. Due to lockdown, I was unable to find Sophie the giraffe or Nandika, and so she used carrot teether instead of that, which is so good, which is quite good as compared to Sophie the giraffe. This is one of the favorite toys of Nandika. She used it anytime, anywhere, and this is soft, which is perfect for soothing tender gums and providing teething relief. So one advice for all the new parents, use teethers which are BPA free and easy to wash. Apart from all these kind of swings and rockers, teethers and all, Nandika has some soft toys, and Nandika had some balls as well, just to attract her and busy her, engaging her in in her own world and all. So that's all guys, these are the toys which I used for Nandika in 0 to 6 months. And one tip for all the new parents, choose those kind of toys in 0 to 6 month for your kids, which has holding powers, which have a lot of grip, so that baby can hold it from anywhere, which helps to develop motor skills, which help to enhance their visuality, which helps to enhance their hearing parts, which attract them to do something, to do movements, lots of hand movements, lots of leg movements, so that they develop their motor skills. And like the swings, the rockers, the vibrations and all, there overhead there is a toy, there is a mirror. So use these kind of toys in these kind of age, between 0 to 6 months. This is the age in which babies develop their motor skills. This is the age babies can enhance their eye power, enhance their hearing power. So these toys are the best. So share with me, like which toys are you guys mostly used in 0 to 6 months. In next video I definitely share, like Nandika is now 9 months old, and in next video I'm sharing that right now which toy she uses in 6 to 9 months, and waiting for that video. Meanwhile, keep supporting and keep sharing this video for all the parents, for all the new parents, those who have these age groups of kids like 0 to 6 months. And thank you so much, and please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribing it till yet. Please, what are you waiting for, guys? Please subscribe it and become the part of Just Mom Things, become the part of my family, the family of Just Mom Things, and make it so broad, make it so big. So thank you so much.